No matter how rich your family is, don't throw away rotten bananas. It is not only valuable, but also very practical. Bananas are sweet, delicious, and inexpensive, so many people like to eat them. However, if you don't know how to preserve bananas, they will spoil very quickly. A few days ago, they looked fine, but today they are rotten and inedible. Harmful substances will be created in the banana pulp, so you should not eat them when bananas are inedible. Don't throw them away. We can use them for the following really useful things. First, we peel off the outer skin. Here, the banana pulp is too soft, so it has spoiled, fermented, and has a lot of mold. If the banana has mold on the skin or is overripe, but the pulp still looks very delicious, I advise you not to risk it because the pulp inside may have mold that cannot be seen with the naked eye. So it may contain a large number of bacteria that will reproduce in it. If eaten, it will cause certain irritation to the digestive tract, leading to symptoms such as stomachache and diarrhea. So it is best not to eat it anymore, but do not throw it away. Just peel it off and prepare a plastic bottle like this. If you have a suitable container at home, you can replace it. Do not use fragile items such as glass containers. My bottle is relatively large, so we cut the bottle from this position. Pay attention to safety during cutting and trim the opening carefully to avoid barbs and injury to yourself. Then we will put in the rotten bananas. The riper the bananas are, the softer the banana pulp will be, and the faster it will be mashed. Break the bananas into short pieces. After putting them in, we can use a rolling pin or any tool we have to mash the bananas. Mashing to this level is very good. Then we will add more water to the bottle, but do not fill it up. Then stir well so that the banana pulp and water mix together. What we need to do is use water to ferment the pulp of the rotten bananas. Now cover the mouth of the bottle with plastic wrap and leave it in a dry place to ferment for a week. Banana flesh is rich in protein, fat, vitamins, and other nutrients, so we can use the fermented banana pulp as fertilizer for flowers and indoor plants. During the fermentation process, every 3 days, we open the plastic wrap for a while because the banana pulp will produce a little gas. This helps avoid the banana juice being pushed up and splashing around. By doing this, the solution inside will not overflow. We see the solution separate into 2 layers. One layer of milky white water and the banana pulp layer above. The banana pulp layer contains a lot of air bubbles created during fermentation. After the gas is released, cover it tightly and continue fermenting until the fermentation time is sufficient. After 7 days of fermentation, we open the film covering the mouth of the bottle. The water layer is thicker and the banana pulp layer is thinner. Discard the banana pulp on top. The remaining part is filtered using a colander with thick holes to remove the banana residue. Where are you from? Please leave a comment to let me know. It's nice to know that we see each other all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's great to see your support. Next, we prepare a spray bottle to water the plants and pour the filtered solution into the bottle. Because the fermented liquid has a very high concentration, it should not be watered directly on the plants. Instead, dilute it with clean water at a ratio of 1:1 before using it. Add water to dilute. Then close the lid of the watering bottle and shake well. Then we can use it to water the flowers. We often grow green trees and flowers at home, and you also fertilize the green trees so that they will grow well. If not taken care of, the flowers will not bloom brightly. Use it to spray your small garden, and your small garden will be filled with colorful flowers. Because soaked banana water can contain a lot of calcium, providing abundant nutrients for the plants. After a period of using it to water the plants will be greener. However, when watering flowers, it should only be used once or twice a week. Do not use it every day and avoid using it too often. It can also adjust the pH of the soil, helping plants grow more favorably, especially plants that prefer an acidic environment. This method is simple, economical, and practical. Therefore, if your friends grow green trees at home, you can ferment rotten bananas and use them to water the flowers. With this method, you don't need to buy fertilizer for flowers, and you can also make your flowers grow stronger. The effect is equivalent to flower fertilizer and even better than fertilizer. Using rotten bananas is simple, and they immediately become more valuable. Isn't it more valuable? In addition to banana pulp, banana peels are very valuable. Banana peels are rich in polysaccharides, proteins, vitamin C, and other nutrients. You can use them to clean, polish, and maintain moisture for leather shoes. Take a piece of banana peel and rub the inside of the peel on the surface of the shoe. Banana peels are moist and can effectively clean dirt on the surface of leather shoes. In addition, banana peels are also rich in natural oils. Rubbing banana peels on leather shoes helps to moisturize and preserve the leather very well. Then just wipe the surface of the shoe clean, and it will shine like new immediately. Banana peels are rich in pectin, so wiping shoes with pectin can quickly restore the shine of the leather. So you have turned waste into treasure by using banana peels. You do not need to buy shoe polish at home. In addition, banana peels also clean grease. When cooking, there are many grease stains on the stove, especially when you fry. It's really haunting to have to clean it, but it's simple. You just need to take the banana peel and rub it on the stove. Rub it all over the stove wherever there is grease. Because banana peels contain a lot of natural oils, they can dissolve grease on the stove. After rubbing all over the stove, you use a kitchen towel to clean the stove. You can clearly see the change on the stove. The stove handle is also clean without any grease stains. Amazing, right? Banana peels, something that seems like trash, unexpectedly have so many practical benefits. Not only that, we can also use banana peels to repel cockroaches without being toxic. First, we prepare a container, cut the banana peel into small strips, and put them in the container. The smell of banana peels is also very sweet. Because cockroaches like to eat sweets, banana peels will attract them. Then add a little concentrated detergent or washing powder to the banana peel and mix well. We use these two things to lure cockroaches and kill them. Finally, we place them in places where cockroaches are likely to invade, such as the bathroom or kitchen drain. Under the bed can be placed like this to lure cockroaches to find food. This way, when cockroaches enter the house later, we do not need to buy cockroach killer. This way of killing cockroaches is very simple and also very practical because the detergent in the detergent will kill cockroaches. This way of killing cockroaches is very simple and also very practical because the detergent in the detergent will kill cockroaches. Those who are interested may want to try it. The video sharing about the benefits of rotten bananas ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.